You are all welcome to my channel. Yes guys, do you want to dissolve your own caustic soda in the simplest way? Do you want to know how to dissolve it and know it better? Then let me introduce you to some of my product. That's my 5D product. Yes, it's a whitening, and this one is also our soap. This one is the black soap. The first one was carrot. So guys, this soap it can clear all your blemishes, your acne, your dark spot, also your stretch marks, and also repair your skin. So let's go and watch the video together. Welcome once again to my channel. SAA Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscribers, God richly bless you. Those stopping by, welcome to SAA Skincare channel. Please guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to dissolve your caustic soda. How we can dissolve our caustic soda and use it to make our own bar soap, Eczema Blue. So guys, let's get back to my workstation and dissolve this caustic soda together. Remember to always wear your gloves. Remember to always wear your hand gloves and your nose masks. Please, these two should be a mask. Your hand gloves should be wear and also your nose masks. Let's go and watch this video together. Yes, please watch the video till the end. Also like my video and share it with your family, your friends, anyone. Yes, so guys, let's go and watch this video together. A lot were asking me how to dissolve the caustic soda. How are we going to do it? I'm doing it in the simplest method. Please watch it to the end. Wear your nose mask, your hand gloves, and also your eyeglasses should be a mask. This is my caustic soda. I'm using 1/4 bag. Please, I'm using 1/4 bag. This is my caustic soda. I'm using the powder. You can use any of the caustic soda. We have the freak, we have the powder over there. And I have fed 3 buckets of water into a bowl, a big bowl. I have fed 3 buckets of water. Fed 3 buckets of water for 1/4 bag of one caustic soda. Please, 1/4 bag of one caustic soda into 3 buckets of water. I pour the caustic soda into the water rather. Please take note here. Pour the caustic soda powder into the water on a big container bowl, rubber one, not a silver. Don't use silver when you are dissolving your caustic soda. Caustic soda can burn your skin. It can damage your eyes and also it can harm you. So please take precautions over here. Take more precautions over here. You can stir it with a wooden stick. Please, not a metal stick. Use a wooden stick. And I'll cover it for 2 days. After the 2 days, I stir it again. I stir it again because I was wearing my nose mask, my hand gloves, and also my eyeglasses. I stir it out. Yes, we have heat inside. So please take note over here. After 2 days, you will see that the water have changed. The solution have changed. For 3 days, you can use it to do your detergent, your soap, your Eczema Blue, any kinds of what you want to do. Yes, for 3 days, you can use it. If you want to check the gauge, please fetch a little of the water into a transparent container or a bucket. Not silver, please use a rubber bucket. After it, put your hydrometer inside. To check for Eczema Blue should be 1275. 1275. You can read it from the hydrometer. This is the simplest method to dissolve your caustic soda for Eczema Blue. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell. See you in my next video.